So pull the car up on ramps. Remove the oil fill cap. Remove this beauty cover. And remove the dipstick. My oil filter goes right here. Remove this. To pull the filter out. Grab your oil container and put it underneath the car. Grab your 15mm wrench. Pull this, loosen this bolt up right here with your 15mm wrench. Let the oil come out. Make sure you let all the oil drain out, and then when it's all done draining out, don't forget to put your plug back in. Snug up your bolt, but don't over tighten. Remove this old oil ring. The oil filter comes with a new one. You might have to get a screwdriver underneath of it to change it. Remove this one, put a little oil on the new one. And just put it on. Just like that. Grab your new filter. Put it, lock it in here. And it's ready to go back in. The type of oil I like to use is 5W30 Mobile 1. Grab a funnel and pour in the oil. I like to put 1 quart where the oil filter goes. Put your oil filter back in, tighten up with a wrench. Don't over tighten, just snug until finish filling up the oil with the rest of your oil into the funnel. After you get all your oil put in, wait for it to drain down into your oil pan and check the level. Make sure you get the proper level. Looks good. You can put the beauty cover back on. And then put the oil cap back on. Now you can reset the oil level percentage by turning your key on Push the menu button where it says oil percentage 0. You want to reset? Yes. Now it's back to 100.